This is Engaging New York, Module 2, Lesson 8, Problem Set Debrief. So here I have my estimation. I wrote out what my standard algorithm would look like. My estimation, standard algorithm, estimation, standard algorithm, estimation, standard algorithm, estimation, standard algorithm. If you need to use the area outside the boxes, feel free to do so. 1 million, standard algorithm. Remember, there's 530 copies of 2,000. So 603 copies of 4,000. So 2,400,000. Then we have 1,000 times 3 would be 3 million. So almost 1,000 copies of 3,000. Then on the back, first you estimate. Then you do the actual multiplication. Remember, this is a decimal. 1 liter and this is 0.275 milliliters. Remember, 275 milliliters is on that other side of that decimal point. Then here is the actual. So you would do the actual standard algorithm, and then you need to subtract the 2 to find your answer. Then the club, if 1 unit is equal to $199, then $199, then with 355 times 1 gives you 355 units. What you do to one side of the equation, you do the exact same thing to the other side. So you end up with 70,645, and that is getting the answer by doing standard algorithm. Then it said they had this much left over. So in order to find how much they had left over, you need to take your amount and add what they had left over to find what they actually started with. Then down below, so you need to answer A with words. Here is the actual, here's 315 times 14, which comes to 315 times 14. It gives you the actual amount. You need to answer this with words. And then down below, how many albums will she need for all of her baseball cards? Well, if one album has 500 cards, you could skip count like 500. So this is one album. This is 2 albums. This is 3 albums, 4 albums, 5 albums, 6 albums, 7 albums, 8 albums, 9 albums. Or you could go another strategy to solve could be 4,500 divide by 500. So take the amount, divide it by 500, and you end up with 9 albums. This was just another strategy in order to solve. All right, so exit ticket. Homework looks just like our problem set. And you'll be using, there's only 2 word problems for the problem set. So you should do fairly well, considering I just reviewed how to solve those word problems. Use this to help you solve independently on your own these problems. And the way you do is you look over here. What was the structure? How did I set the problem up? Why did I set that problem up that way? Then come over here and try to recreate how I set up that problem and then solve. All right, that should do it.